The browser-based voting system with Gamma voicing, user interface design, and real-time statistics dashboard with animated progress indicators using export functionality and mobile-first responsive design. I do this with Vanilla, Vanilla and Co. Yeah, so here's how it works. So you select the type of election that you want to. So let me just say presidential election 2027. Yeah, so let's just put the total numbers of accredited voters. Let's just say 10. The number of candidates, let's just say 3. Yeah, you configure the candidates and you register your candidates. Yeah, you say candidate's name is, just say Mr. Peter Obi. Peter Obi. Peter Obi and party. Peter Obi is in which party again? Is it Labour Party? Yeah, Labour Party. I'll be ADC. Labour Party. DLP. Not like your usual less privileged over Labour Party instead. What the fuck is this? Okay. So you go on to register the second candidate. They just say is it just say very dark man, yeah. Very dark man. Party the Radolf. Yeah. So the Radolf. Okay. The Radolf, just give the Radolf TR. So yeah, I did for them government in case you don't know. So the third candidate, I'm actually going to put my name. Just put the title, Mr. Siphon Imaginer, and let's just put the party, what should we put? Our group, yeah. So AG, not like your AG baby though. Yeah, so, and boom, we launched the election. So this is what happens when you launch it. So you have the live voting. That's the party that I registered. You can register more than 3 parties. You can register up to 100 and 200 parties, 500 parties, depending on what you want to do, depends on the election that you want to do. You get so this thing is the total number of accredited voters, and we have the turnout rate, and we have total vote cast, which is 0 because we have not cast any votes. So let's just say we vote for Peter Obi now. I vote for Peter Obi. Then I come here and cast my vote. Yeah, see one vote for Peter Obi, and total vote is 1, and total accredited voters reduced to 9. Yeah, so and total turnout rate is 10%. Yeah, so when I vote for very dark man, there's a whole lot to do, just like a whole lot to do, not done yet, but we're still building. So there's it, and keep reducing, then vote for very dark man again, reduce again, vote again, reduce, vote again, cast of vote again, reduce, that's 5 remaining, then vote for Peter Obi, reduce again, yeah, remaining for vote for Peter Obi again, remaining 3, vote for very dark man, 5 remaining 2, vote for Peter Obi again, remaining 1, then I give this one to myself. Yeah, there's no way near that. Okay, so cast the vote is going to announce the winner, you see, like instantly announce the winner, calculate the winner and announce it. You get so this is the winner, this is the results. Election winner, very dark man, the Radolf with 5 votes, that's 50% turnout rate out of 10%, out of 10% are accredited voters, yeah. Out of 100% accredited voters, just 100%. So there is it. The dark man with 5 votes win, and Mr. Peter Obi second with 4 votes, and Mrs. Fonema our group with 1 vote. So you can export it though. There's a whole lot to do with exporting. I'm not done with that yet. And this question sign that you're seeing here, this button you're seeing here, I need to debug it. That's a bug, and I need to debug it. So that's how it goes. So let me know what should I do next, and what do you want to add, and what should I add. Yeah. So salam.